You wake up, you go to work. You come home, tired, and tomorrow you do it all over again. Your paycheck covers the bills, maybe, but nothing more. Here's the problem. If you stop working, the money stops too. It's a trap millions of people are stuck in. But what if your money kept coming in, even while you slept? Today I'll show you how to build real passive income while keeping your 9 to 5. Stick with me, because the third method I'll share is the one that changed my life. Before we start, there's one tool I wish I had years ago: Shopify. It's how regular people are building online businesses without quitting their jobs. You set up a store in minutes, sell anything, work once, and let the sales roll in. And here's the thing, this is not theory. I've seen people start from zero and get their first sale in days. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free trial. Most people think, if I want more money, I'll work more hours. That's the trap. You only have 24 hours in a day, and you're already giving 8, sometimes 10 of those to your job. Add commuting, eating, sleeping, there's nothing left. You're trading time for money, and time runs out. Wealthy people think differently. They build assets, systems that keep paying them, without their constant effort. Here's the secret. You don't have to be rich to start building assets. You can start now, with the job you already have. Your 9 to 5 isn't the enemy, it's the fuel. Strategy number 1, automated online store. This is why I start with an online store, because you can do it on the side. No quitting your job, no massive upfront investment. With Shopify, you can sell physical products using dropshipping. You don't buy inventory. You don't pack boxes. You don't ship. Suppliers handle it all. Digital products, ebooks, templates, courses. You create it once and sell it forever. And the best part? Your store is open 24/7. I'll give you an example. A friend of mine works full-time in IT. 2 years ago, he launched a small Shopify store selling niche tech accessories. He worked on it for a few hours each week. Today, it makes him an extra $200 a month, completely automated. He can now pay the rent for work he did years ago. Shopify handles the design, the payments, the analytics, and the learning curve, much smaller than you think. You don't need to be a tech person to run it. Just imagine, you're in a boring meeting at work. You check your phone. You made a sale. That's when you realize your time is no longer your limit. And in a minute, I'll show you how to make this store double your income without doubling your work. Strategy number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services you trust. Someone clicks your unique link. They buy. You get paid. No customer service. No inventory. No shipping headaches. The content you create, whether it's a YouTube video, a blog, or a TikTok, keeps working for you long after you've created it. It's like planting seeds. Some grow slowly, some fast. But over time, you have a whole garden producing income. Here's where it gets interesting. Your Shopify store can also promote affiliate products. Imagine, you sell your own products and earn commissions on complementary products. For example, you sell a yoga mat in your store, and you link to an affiliate yoga course. 1 customer, 2 income streams. This is how you start stacking passive income, layer by layer. Strategy number 3, investment income. This is where your job becomes your superpower. You use your paycheck to buy assets, dividend-paying stocks, companies that share their profits with you every quarter, index funds, low-maintenance, diversified, steady growth, rental property. Tenants pay your mortgage, and you keep the cash flow. They pay you back, sometimes monthly, without your daily effort. And when you combine this with income from your store and affiliates, that's when your passive income can replace your salary. But here's the twist. Most people quit too soon. They start and stop before they see the real results. I'll explain why consistency beats speed every time. The compounding effect. Your first month, maybe you make $50. Feels small, almost useless. But here's what most don't see. That $50 reinvested can make $200 next month, then $500, then $1,000. It's a snowball. At first, it barely moves. But as it rolls, it gets bigger and faster. The reason most people fail? They never roll the snowball long enough. The winners keep going until it's unstoppable. And when it's big enough, it crushes the need for a paycheck entirely. That's why the smartest move you can make today is to start. Open your Shopify store, even if it's just a side project. Click the link below and get your free trial. Test it, learn, adjust. Every empire starts small. Your job gives you security. Passive income gives you freedom. Combine both, and you control your future. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Hit the link, take action, and start building your income today. Because the only thing worse than starting late is never starting at all.